Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a very simple trick in Scratch. We'll create a 3D text, or even a 3D character effect. Let's open the editor and get started. Oh, and if you find my tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. The principle is actually very simple. It makes use of cloning and broadcasting. First, choose a letter. Pause set its initial position and direction. Next, repeat cloning the letter. Each time it creates a clone, move the position a little and change its color. Okay, let's run it. Nice, we already see a bit of the effect. Now, let's make all clones move together. For this, we'll use broadcasting. After all clones are created, send a broadcast. When the clones receive it, they will all start moving in sync. Okay, that's done. Let's test it again. Looking pretty good. Finally, let's add a 3D background and some background music. Run it again, and there we go. Pretty cool, isn't it? Alright, if you enjoyed this, make sure to follow my channel for more.